Welcome to Start Auto's Time. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in automotive history, Volkswagen. But not just any VW, we're talking about the Volkswagen Sport Beetle, a unique twist on a timeless classic that blends retro charm with sporty flair. Now, if you're someone who appreciates the heritage of the original Beetle but craves a bit more performance and attitude, the Sport Beetle might just be your dream car. From the outside, it carries forward the familiar rounded curves and compact silhouette we all recognize, but with an aggressive edge. Wider fenders, sporty bumpers, a rear spoiler, and larger alloy wheels give the Sport Beetle a stance that means business. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Sport Beetle often came equipped with a turbocharged engine, most notably the 2.0-liter TSI 4-cylinder. This engine delivers an energetic driving experience, pushing out enough horsepower to make city driving and highway cruising feel effortless. And with Volkswagen's smooth-shifting DSG dual-clutch transmission, you get sharp acceleration with a sporty feel. Inside the cabin, the Sport Beetle continues to impress. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, yet retains a few retro design cues that remind you of its roots. The seats are sport-styled with added bolstering to keep you comfortable and secure during spirited driving. Depending on the trim, you'll find special touches like aluminum pedals, flat-bottom steering wheels, and contrasting stitching. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Technology-wise, Volkswagen didn't cut corners. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, often including features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and a quality sound system. Some models even came with ambient lighting, giving the cabin a more refined and youthful vibe. Driving the Sport Beetle is where the real fun begins. It hugs corners with confidence and feels far more agile than you might expect from a car that traces its roots back to the mid-20th century. Thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and responsive steering, the Sport Beetle feels tight, balanced, and always ready to play. Fuel economy is also respectable for a sporty compact. You won't be stopping at the pump too often, which makes it not just fun but practical too. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend drive, the Sport Beetle gives you a reason to enjoy the ride. For fans of the Beetle legacy who want something more than just a cute cruiser, the Sport Beetle is a bold statement. It respects its heritage while delivering the performance and features modern drivers expect. It's sporty, stylish, and unmistakably Volkswagen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the Volkswagen Sport Beetle, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique car features, reviews, and auto stories right here on Start Auto's Time.